To this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Capcut export lag. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to fix your Android system, then you have to fix the Capcut system. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to the phone settings option, and you have to basically go to the developer option. So before that you have to turn on the developer option. You can go to my phone, then you have to tap on several times on your build number, so you can see that I'm already a developer. Then you can go to the search bar to search for developer option. Here it is. Just go to the developer option first. Okay, here it is. Then you scroll down until you find the option allow screen overlays on settings. You have to turn this on. Then go to the graphics driver preference, and you have to find for Capcut application and select the graphics driver, system graphics driver. Okay, after that you have to go to the Capcut application. Okay, then you have to go to the home page. Here it is. Now you can see a settings button at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now clear the cache. Okay, and hopefully it will now not lag. Still, if it's lagging, that means you have a low storage. You have to uninstall some of the application to clear your storage. That's the solution. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.